So that's the sound of a unit defrosting. Now you see that water coming off of it? That's because all the ice that was built up on the coil is now being heated up and it's defrosting. It's coming down. Fan stops, indoor unit stops, and the unit heats up. So if I touch this coil, it gets warmer and warmer. You can tell it's a different sound. Here's the sound of a unit running in heat pump mode. Ultra quiet, except for the fan moving. And this is perfectly normal. This is also the reason you want to elevate your heat pump, because all this ice buildup here, you don't want that right under the unit. It's going to damage the unit, it's going to heave the ground, it's going to heave the unit. Heat pumps always elevated, not just because you don't want to bury the unit in the snow, but because of this defrost. Now slow down. This coil is now very hot to the touch. You can see all the steam coming off of it. That's what I'm steam. Now you're going to and it gets quieter and quieter until it's done. We are now on minute 3. And that click right there, that's your reversing valve. Unit is ready to go back into operation. There it goes. 3 minutes, 22 seconds of defrost.